Strengthening exercises to relieve constipation. Check the video description and top comment for upcoming workshop and course dates. A uncomfortable, often painful condition causing difficulty with regular bowel movements. This ongoing struggle can cause frustration and discomfort, impacting overall well-being. Symptoms include bloating and abdominal pain, affecting daily life and enjoyment. Pair these exercises with a healthy lifestyle for optimal results. Will strengthen your core, nervous system, spine, sacrum, and tailbone. We separate the digestive, respiratory, and reproductive systems. We work on their weaknesses and combine them to 0 minus infinity, 100% of the time, infinitely. We strengthen the large intestine to boost water absorption and improve stool formation. We reinforce the rectum for stool storage and easy, effortless release during defecation. We strengthen the anal sphincter for proper control of fecal expulsion. We tense and relax it to achieve 100% strength with infinite potential continuously. We boost the enteric system for gut motility and the CNS for proper constipation response. We enhance pelvic floor muscles for better coordination during defecation. Strengthen abdominal muscles to pass stool. Boost organ and system efficiency to dispose of feces. Increase willingness to take on digestive responsibility. Eat to prioritize nutritional well-being and digestion. Develop strong desire for healthy habits. Strengthen awareness and preference for fiber-rich foods. Cultivate enjoyment of drinking optimal amounts of water. Build awareness and pleasure in regular exercise. Clear colon blockages from you and your lineage. Remove triggers of these obstructive memories. Separate constipation from known and unknown disorders. We eliminate all contributing factors, setting them to 0 or negative infinity 100% of the time, indefinitely. We remove the combined effects of painkillers, opioids, antidepressants, antihistamines, and antispasmodics that worsen the condition. We eliminate the neurological influences that contribute to constipation. We strengthen physical awareness to reduce and eliminate excess stress hormones. We remove anxiety caused by disturbing and disorganized thoughts. We enhance your ability to feel, perceive, and understand your abdominal pain. We strengthen your awareness of what helps or harms your digestive, emotional, and mental health. We eliminate the negative impact of changes in routines, habits, and emotions that worsen constipation. We release memories of lacking privacy, respect, and peace while defecating in this life and others, for you and your lineage. We remove the weakening impact of routine changes and unexpected events that disrupt regular bowel habits. We dissolve shame and guilt, especially in children with abuse history or adults carrying childhood trauma. Strength to hold on and let go, to release and retain as needed, will eliminate strong attachments and resistance to forgiving, releasing, and letting go of grievances. We remove feelings of inability to overcome, transcend, and transform traumas, conscious and subconscious. We release repressed emotions and those causing pain, shame, and helplessness. We eliminate the need to control or hold on to something valuable in your life. Strength to release, erase, and remove material, emotional, and mental blocks to neutrality. We eliminate neural connections causing constant alertness. We remove accumulated stress effects hindering digestion. Strength to release, erase, free, forgive, and forget weakening thoughts and emotions. We balance detachment with attachment, release with retention, centering everything. We remove misperceptions and interpretations that resist change. We eliminate resistance and excessive introspection. We boost self-observation, self-questioning, and self-liberation. Strength for changing perspectives. Power to accept and easily transcend discomfort quickly and effortlessly. Strength for all. Positive, non-positive, negative, non-negative. Strong yet equal, unequal, different, not different. Change, no change. Perception, no perception. We strengthen inner and outer dynamics, internal and external boundaries, and vertices of all these geometric shapes and the triad, digestive, reproductive, and respiratory systems, to 100% infinite potential, 100% of the time with infinite duration. We remove all weaknesses and obstacles that prevent, limit, delay, or hinder harmonious bowel movements. Make human infinite 100% of the time for all time. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, readjust, and rejuvenate your body, mind, and spirit. How do you feel now, the same or different?